Hi everyone, what we're about to do is build the Erden chest of drawer from Mandaue foam. So about the Erden chest of drawers, it has a width of 80 cm, depth of 40 cm, and a height of 91.5 cm. Its color is natural oak. So let's get to building. First, I'm going to do the drawers. It's much easier to do this. Okay, when you see this one, it's where the cam nut is going to be placed. The arrow should face the one with a hole on it. Here we are going to put screws. Don't forget that it should be aligned. Next is this one. Put dowels and fit. When you see a hole through wood, it means you're gonna screw it. That's how you do it. This one, you slide it through. You see this, kailangan na bolt dawin. When it's done, sisigipan mo itong cam nut para hindi siya matanggal. Itong wheel na to, sa dulo to. Yung ganitong screw para dito.